It's his 8th of the year. He enjoys playing against Carolina. He had 17 points in 18 games coming up. Now Kotkaniemi with a break-and-out score! Jesperi Kotkaniemi gets Carolina on the board and puts some life in PNC Arena.
That aerial puck did just enough of the moonwalk. Right here, it's slowed down. And Kotkaniemi, who I think is playing with, and watching him in Montreal and his time in Carolina, the most pace of his career. And that pace allows him to be able to beat Benoit clean, so he just had to focus on beating John Gibson, which had been an impossible task until just now. What a month Jesperi Kotkaniemi is enjoying, and he has given this building and his teammates life.
Well, it's the 11th of the year for Kotkaniemi.